TikTok has a free AI avatar generator buried inside it, and almost nobody is talking about it. You pick a face, hand it a script, choose a voice, and it gives you back a realistic digital spokesperson delivering your message on camera. Fully lip-synced. A video you can post anywhere. No filming, no camera. You never have to show your own face. And the second you sign up, TikTok drops 1,000 free credits in your lap to play with. That's not a one video trial, that's enough to actually sit down and make a real batch of videos. So I'm going to show you exactly where it's hidden, how to use it, and a few ways you can actually put these avatars to work. The tool is called Symphony Creative Studio. It's TikTok's own AI creative suite, and it really is free. But here's the catch that trips people up. It doesn't live in the app you scroll every day. You'll never find it tapping around the For You page. It sits on TikTok's business side, which means you get to it on desktop in your browser. So go to Symphony Creative Studio on desktop and log in with a TikTok for Business account. Don't have one? It's a couple of minutes to make and it's free. First time in, it walks you through a quick profile and then you land on the main studio. Look at the panel on the left. That's where all the avatar tools live. You'll see a handful of modules, but the two that matter for avatars are Voiceover Avatar and Product Avatar. Let me walk you through both because they do completely different jobs. First up, Voiceover Avatar. This is your digital spokesperson. Click in and you get a whole library of avatars to choose from. Here's a tip that will save you because the first list you land on is pretty thin. Switch over to the AI-generated avatars. That's where everything good is hiding. Instead of a handful of faces, you suddenly have hundreds. Different faces, different outfits, different settings, even animated ones. So don't settle for the first few staring back at you. Dig into that AI-generated section and you'll actually find something that fits your video. You can filter by industry, gender, background, region. You can pick a real human avatar, which is based on a licensed real actor, or go fully AI-generated. Find a face you like, click it, and you can preview how it sounds before you commit to anything. Then you type your script, whatever you want them to say. And there's a nice little option a lot of people walk right past. Instead of typing, you can upload your own audio file. So if you'd rather use your own voice or some audio you made somewhere else, just drop it in and the avatar lip syncs to it. Either way, type it or upload it, hit generate, and you get a video of that avatar delivering your script.
If you want more AI news, like and subscribe.
Lip synced, looking dead into the camera. A spokesperson video, zero filming. Okay, important heads up because this one gets everybody. After you hit generate, your video might not pop up right away. People panic and assume it failed. It didn't. Head to the assets section in the left menu. That's where your generations sit while they cook and where they stay once they're done. So if your video vanished, that's where it went. Do not regenerate. That just burns your credits for nothing. Let me give you a few real ways you'd use this. Run a little online store. Make an avatar that announces a new drop or a sale and post it. Do faceless content. Let your avatar narrate the tips or the story so you never have to show your face. Got a service business? The avatar can do a quick, here's what we do and here's why you should book us intro for your page. Same tool, wildly different uses. All you're changing is the script and the face. Second one, product avatar. And this one's clever. Instead of just talking, this avatar actually shows off a product. You upload a single product image, a photo of something you sell, an app screen, whatever you've got. You pick your avatar and the AI spits out a clip of that avatar holding it, wearing it, or showing it off on screen. Think about what that normally takes. To get a video of a real person holding your product, you'd need the product, a model, a camera, lighting, the whole shoot, probably a whole day. Here you upload one photo and you've got a presenter demoing it in a couple of minutes. For free. For anybody selling anything online, that's the kind of content that used to cost real money. Quick example. Say you sell a water bottle. Upload one clean photo, pick a friendly-looking avatar, and now you've got a clip of someone holding your bottle and talking about it, ready to post. Swap the photo, swap the avatar, and you've got a totally different ad for a totally different product, minutes apart. Now this next tip is worth the whole video on its own, because it kills the biggest wall people run into. There's a cap on how long a single avatar clip can be. Your script can only run so long. But you can absolutely make videos longer than a minute, 10 minutes plus even. There's a simple workaround. Here's how it works. Make your first clip like normal. Then to keep going, click the avatar, hit the 3 dots at the bottom, and click Edit. It reopens with the exact same avatar and the exact same voice already loaded. So you just generate your script in chunks. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, as many as you need. Same face, same voice, every single time. Then go to the video editor in the left menu and upload all your clips. This is exactly why you name and number them in order, by the way, because you're about to stitch them into one long, seamless video. And the built-in editor is genuinely capable. You can drop your own footage in too. Making a tutorial? Run your screen recording while the avatar talks in the corner. That one trick takes this from a short clips only toy to something you can build proper long-form videos with. Here's where it gets fun and where I'd really push you to experiment. You're not locked into one character or one style. Because you can slice that avatar library so many ways, you can basically build yourself a little cast. Make a polished professional one for your serious business content. Make a younger, more casual one for fun, trend-style stuff. Make one that fits a specific region or language for a whole different audience. And you can hand each of them their own personality just through the script you write and the voice you pick. One's loud and hyped up, one's calm and informative, one's a bit funny. Same tool, but now you've got a full roster of spokespeople for different kinds of videos. That's the move most people miss. They make one avatar and stop. The real power is having the right face and the right voice for each type of video. And it's not just avatars in here. While you're inside Symphony Creative Studio, there are a few other free tools that pair really well with this. There's image generation, so you can whip up static images from a text prompt right there on the spot. There's a translate and dub feature that's honestly underrated. You take your avatar video and dub it into a stack of other languages, so one video can suddenly reach audiences on the other side of the world. And there's a built-in video editor with TikTok-style captions, effects, stickers, and music, so you can polish the whole thing without exporting to another app first. You can take an idea from blank script to finished, captioned, posted video without ever leaving this one free studio. Now, real quick, because this fits perfectly with everything we just covered, you've now got a way to make videos without filming. But making them is honestly only half the job. Then you've got to actually post them everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, over and over by hand. That part gets old fast. So if you're cranking out content and you're sick of manually posting it to every platform one at a time, take a look at repurpose.io. It's a content automation tool. You build a workflow once, you pick where your content comes from, you pick where you want it to land, and from then on, repurpose.io publishes it across all your platforms for you, automatically. You make the video here, you let that push it everywhere. Links in the description, go try it. So that's TikTok's hidden free AI avatar generator. A whole library of digital spokespeople, product demos from a single photo, image generation, dubbing, and a built-in editor. All free, all in one place. If you make content, run a store, or you just want to put out videos without being on camera, go play with this one. Links in the description. And if you want more free AI tools like this, I've got a pile more on the channel. Go dig into those, and I'll catch you in the next one.